When the Construction Workers Pension Scheme or CWPS tax year ends, you must clear down the CWPS history and balance from your employee records. You must also set up the CWPS calendar for the new tax year. To clear the CWPS balances and history, from the menu bar, select Year End, then click New Construction Pension Year. When prompted, click Yes. To set up the CWPS tax year calendar, from the menu bar, select Company/Payroll, then Construction Workers Pension. Click the Calendar tab, then click Create New Calendar. Enter the start date of your new CWPS tax year. Click Create. Check the dates and information are correct for the new CWPS tax year. If they're not, you can create the calendar again. To save the calendar settings, click OK.